Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install Tailswift 7.4.2 on VirtualBox. First go to Tailswift's official website, it is tails.net. Click on install Tails. See here the latest release at the time of making this video 7.4.2. Then scroll down, click on burning a Tails DVD. Then click on download Tails 7.4.2 ISO image. See, download started, go to download. See here its size is above 1.9 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox, then search for my YouTube channel how to install VirtualBox on Windows operating systems. Click on new or select new to create new virtual machine. Then provide the name for the virtual machine. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders. This is the default location. If you want some other location, click on drop down and select other. Then select the location where you have the NO space. Then select the downloaded ISO image. OS Linux and OS distribution Debian, OS versions Debian 64-bit. Don't select this, proceed with unrated installation. Then virtual hardware, I am giving 4 gigabytes. Number of CPUs 2. Hard disk size I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click on it and select settings, or just select it and click on settings. If you are okay with all the settings, just click on the start. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is Tails 7.4.2 and hit enter. See, welcome to Tails. See, these are the default settings. Language, United States. If you want to change, click on here and select the language whatever you want. Then keyboard, these three I am going with defaults. If you want to create persistent storage, just you need to turn on this. Okay. Then additional settings, click on this plus button. By default administration password is off. I want to set the password, so remember this password, later we need this password. Then click on add. In the same way, see, MAC address anonymization, by default it is on. If you don't want, click on here and turn off. Remaining I am going with the defaults. If you are okay with these settings, then click on start Tails. Tar connection, if you want to connect to tar automatically, select this radio button and click on connect to tar. It is establishing tar connection. Now open terminal. more/etc os-release. See, we have installed 7.4.2. The first step after connecting to Tailswift is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update & sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of this administration. Hit enter. Okay, it is taking time. Here also it is taking time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Tailswift 7.4.2 on VirtualBox. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.